Wayne's Garage, just a quick little update video. Not going to spend too much time because I've got to get in and do some cutting. Now, all I'm doing is just a quick update video on the rust in the chassis rail. Now I've got a plate the same thickness of that I managed to pick up 3 or 4 of from the scrapyard a couple of days ago. So what we're doing is I've made the template. I've had to make it in 2 cards. And I'll just make it a little bit longer, and that down here and a little bit down here, and then same with down along the curve there. So then I can just keep gradually shaping it with the grinder. Now up the top here, you might be able to see there's a couple of spot welds and that I've got to get to. Now there's a plate that if I stick the camera up, don't know if you guys can see it. And there's a plate there. There you go. If you can see my finger. Is it? There we go, right there. See there? There's a plate there that sits behind the skin. Now with that, it stops the flexibility and the vibrations of the inner wheel well. So I've got to undo what's left of that, so then I can make another one up the same height, and that, because it will get tack welded in when I do the front skin here. But I've had to cut this bit here away, so I've got to make a new bit there up, and the bottom section here will probably end up getting remade up as well, for when I get to that bit. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll probably do another update video after I've done the plate or while I'm doing the plate. So yeah, alright then, cheerio for now.